Explaining in my first cellulite video how to determine cellulite areas. I want to show you here some basic techniques that I use in my cellulite massage work. The first technique I call pinch and pull. Basically, you gently pinch the skin and the underlying fat deposit and you try to lift it off. Start with very gentle pressure first to get the person used to it. Second technique is pinch, pull, and wiggle, which is basically the same technique as the first one, except for after you pinch and pull, you wiggle a little bit. This will give you a greater range of motion of the layers of skin, and will also ultimately lead to a separation of the different layers. As we learned in the first video, the cellulite is a junction of fat deposits with layers of the skin, which reduces the circulation in that area and makes it so that it turns into a sluggish kind of tissue. Then I usually test again and see if I have achieved some separation, if the skin is more movable now. In areas where I would feel that there's still like a lot of adhesion, I would work on it again. Try to maybe pull a little bit towards the side to achieve the separation that I want. The next technique I call like a push thumb technique. It's basically like a squeezing motion, dynamic squeezing motion, where the fingers go against the thumb, and you will feel when the tissue is separating, because it lets you glide one layer on top of the other. So overall, what we try to do is we try to break down these connections of the fat deposit with the layers of the skin to increase the local circulation and to energize these areas. Usually after a few minutes of this work, we can test again with the pinch, pull, and wiggle, and we will see that the area is a lot more mobile.